we are telling you how to blockchain works. Actually, blockchain, and well, the first thing that you need to know here is that in order for blockchains to store data, it is used for storing the data. This data needs to input it into the blocks. In other words, this requires work to be done. If you want to get the shop that's a few miles away, you could either go on foot, drive your car there, or catch a bus. Simply put, there are a few different ways you could get there. Applying that some logic to our topic at hand, there are a few different methods of how works can be performed on a blockchain in order for it to store data. The two major methods are called. The number one is the proof of the work, and the second is proof of the stake. I will keep it simple today and only talk about these two things. So that most popular method is called proof of work. Normally, once transactions are agreed upon between the users, they need to be proved before they are saved to a block in a chain. So base decides you. The public blockchain itself is involved by elements. The miner, a computer, are actually a mass of computers called the nodes that work to solve complex mathematical queries to confirm these aforementioned transactions, and it's safe to save your records in a blockchain. Those nodes are decision makers, are consensus how check and agree to store your transaction. No, let's not get too technical. Instead, allow me to go back to simple example in a real world. Miners mine rocks in orders to find precious ores such as iron and gold. Mining is their work, and the reward is the productive that they mine. To be completed frank with you, the same process happens with mining on a blockchain as well, because it is a virtual transaction instead of person mining. You have a computer doing the job instead of precious ores. These computer machines get rewards in the cryptocurrency that they mine. They do the work for others, confirm the transaction happening on the network, and get rewards for doing so. Before we continuing, I can imagine that you are wondering who are these miners that confirm the transaction on the blockchain?